Here's how to create your LTS Connect account so you can monitor your security cameras from your cell phone. First, go to the App Store or Google Play Store and download the LTS Connect app. Select your region. In this case, I'm selecting USA since I'm located in the United States. Then click Register and you'll see the Join Us screen where you will tap to agree to the terms of service and privacy policy. Next, you'll confirm your location once again and register your account using either an email address or mobile phone number. Go ahead and create a password and then input the CAPTCHA code. Enter the security code that the two-factor authentication system sends you, then click Add Device. From there, you'll have the option to scan a QR code, enter the serial number of the camera, or scan your local Wi-Fi network to find the device that you want to monitor. If your camera system was installed by Touchbase Telecom, please contact us and we will add you to the system.